If you want to know how big affiliate marketers work online, if you want to know the secret behind six figures affiliate marketers, stay tuned and follow up with me. This video is so interesting. Hi everyone, I'm Hassan from Educate, and today I'm so excited to publish this video revealing the secret of big affiliate marketers. In this video, I will show you the strategy used by big affiliate marketers who generate at least 5 and 6 figures not only on a monthly basis but even daily. But what's nice in this strategy is that anyone can start with. You don't need to be a big marketer, no. You can start, I can start, everyone can start running small campaigns, then we can scale up to reach 5 and 6 figures. And also what's nice, this strategy does not require a website, so anyone can start with implementing exactly what I will explain in this video. So let's start together, but before, please don't forget, if you like to watch more videos like this about affiliate marketing, online business, digital marketing, and much more, please subscribe now to my channel and turn on notifications, and don't forget to like the video to get every new update almost every day. Okay friends, so you know I don't like wasting time, so let's start directly and explain the two-step strategy. Simply, step number 1 is to find a successful affiliate marketing campaign. So the idea is to go online and spy and find someone else who is running a successful campaign. This is step 1. When you find it, simply you duplicate it. That's simple. In this way, you can guarantee like almost 95% successful affiliate marketing campaign. How we can find a successful campaign and how to duplicate it. Let's see together. So here I am in my PC. The idea is simply finding someone who is running a native ad campaign, is running a paid ad campaign on native ad networks. As an example, in my other videos, I showed you examples of MGID, if you remember, the case study, how I promoted an affiliate product and how I made like $25, I think, profit in 24 hours. So if you didn't watch this case study, you can check it in the description below. So anyway, we have a native ads platform, which is a platform to run paid ads, paid native ads. That's simple. We have like MGID, we have Outbrain, we have Ref Content, we have a lot of networks. So what you are going to do here is find people who are using these networks and running a successful campaign, affiliate marketing campaign. How do we do that? Number 1 is manually. Of course, forget about it. It's so complicated and you'll waste your time with. The second option is to use an ad spy tool. In my case, I am using adplexity.com, one of the top ad spy tools out there. You can see you can spy on mobile ads, on desktop ads, native ads, push ads, e-commerce, and so on. Now in this video, in this strategy, we are talking about native ads. So simply, I will log into my account, go to native, click here, and this is my account. This is the main interface of Adplexity. Here where we can spy on other people's ads and see what's working. Okay, let's give you a direct example to understand the idea. So you see here a lot of ads, okay? What I'm going to do now is go here down and select the affiliate network, okay? As an example, we need to filter people who are promoting ClickBank offers. So if you are working on ClickBank, click on ClickBank here. That's simple. Now, Adplexity will filter ads running on ClickBank or promoting ClickBank offers. What you are going to do then is go here to filter and select running longest or received more traffic. Let's say received more traffic, and you will see now it will filter by the top traffic ads. You see this first one has 28,000 hits. Global stats, 43,000 hits. And what's nice, you can see the network that this person is using. He is using Rev Content. He's using this advertising network to promote his product. Go to this one, you can see also Rev Content, and he has 45,000 hits globally, and so on. And by the way, you can notice that this one here is duplicated here, and duplicated here, and duplicated here. So a lot of people are running the same ad because it's successful. So other marketers are applying this strategy. You see, this strategy is one of the best to start working online as a successful affiliate marketer. So if you go down else, you can see here, it's running here on Rev Content also. They changed only the image and so on. So what you are going to do here is simply selecting a working ad from Adplexity, a successful ad campaign, and then duplicating it. How? Let's see together. But before, friends, I have a small advice for you. Please listen very well. It's a small advice. I want to share it with you because I think it's very important for your life, for yourself. When you work online, and especially in affiliate marketing, since we are promoting products for other people, for someone else, a lot of times you may face someone who is lying to people. You may face products about nudity and pornography. You may face misleading products, and people are trying to maybe spam people or scam them and so on. So a little advice from me to you, really from my heart, especially when you work in affiliate marketing and in general online, just remember that you are a human. You must have some morals or ethics that prevents you from promoting or working in fields that may hurt other people or scam them or whatever. Look, whenever you want to do something in life, just think about, number one, if you are hurting someone, if you are doing something wrong to someone else. This is very important. And the other thing, think about your own happiness. The worst feeling you may ever feel in your life, like you are 60 or 70 years old, is regret. Is to feel that you did something wrong when you were younger and so on. So whenever you work online, whenever you work in affiliate marketing, please just be a human, just have some ethics and morals, and go and pick a product that really is legit. It's not spamming, it's not hurting people, it's not pornography or something affect negatively on people. Okay, so this is my small advice for you. This is my opinion. I work like this. I don't put money on top and everything else down. No. First thing is happiness, comfortability, my health, other people's lives, and humanity, morals, ethics. All these are more important than money. So anyway, let's continue now our work and see how things work. So now we knew how we can get successful ad campaigns that are running and working with someone else. Simply select this one as an example, open it, click on this ad, and now Adplexity will show you in depth, in detail, analytics for this ad. You will see in which countries is running. You will see device types, you will see the landing pages, and this is very important. You can just copy the landing page and start your campaign. You'll see here analytics, ad trend, week trend, publishers. You'll see everything about this ad. So this is a successful ad. How to duplicate it? Let's go here as an example and open this link, show more, and you will see the landing page. Let's click on this link here to open it, and you will see now the landing page that this person is using. You see, this is the advertisement and this is the simple landing page. And if you click on watch now, you will learn more about this article. So if you want to watch the video, you can see it here step by step. This is the video. Let's open it. So it's referring to this video. And here, if you read this article, you will see at last that he is promoting a product. You can see for only $69 a bottle, you will see he's promoting this something related to health or ears or whatever, I don't know. So simply he's running an affiliate marketing campaign promoting this product. You see? So what you can do simply is to copy the same campaign. That's simple. You get the images, you get the ad, you get everything. And as a good practice, what you have to do, like if he is running here on Rev Content, go and duplicate this campaign on MGID or maybe on Outbrain or even maybe use Facebook ads or maybe Google ads. So this is simply a strategy, is getting a successful campaign and duplicating it on other ad networks. That's simple. I hope you got the idea. I know it's somehow advanced tactic, advanced strategy, but I'm trying my best to make it as simple as I can so you can get some benefit and learn about advanced strategies of affiliate marketers. Another important point I want to explain in this video is about tracking. If you go down here, you'll see something called a tracking tool. So in affiliate marketing, whenever you run a campaign, it's very important to track the campaign. So to know how many conversions you get, how much revenue you made, how much profit, and to see if it's successful or not, and so on. We have a lot of tools like Volume, like Thrive, like AdsBridge, like Bmob. If you go to my ad again here, not my ad, I mean this example, if you click on Show More, you will see that he is using here Thrive software or Thrive application or Thrive service to track this campaign. So simply, this is a successful campaign. This is his landing pages. This is his product. You can go and sign up to this affiliate product and duplicate his campaign. I know this is an advanced topic, as I mentioned before, and it requires a step-by-step, in-depth tutorial, like maybe 1 or 2 hours to explain everything. And by the way, honestly, I was thinking to create a full premium course about these strategies, these advanced affiliate marketing strategies, but I wanted to publish this before to see if you are interested in such topics or not. So please, if you are interested in learning more about these strategies in depth, and if you like me to publish in-depth strategy or tutorial or case study applying this in detail, please like the video and comment down below that you are interested in this strategy so I can know how much people are interested, so I can know if I create a premium course or simply publish more free videos on this topic. So if this video reaches 3,000 likes, I promise you to publish a full case study, step by step, how to create such campaigns. So I hope you got the idea. To sum up in 30 seconds, the strategy is go to ad spy tools like Adplexity. Just look for a successful campaign running on Adplexity or ad spy tools, and then you need to duplicate this campaign on different ad networks. And don't forget that you have to track them with applications like Volume or Thrive or whatever. And this is how you can start your 6 figures affiliate marketing journey. See you later.